Hi, this is Emily with GettingFinancesDone.com and 12 Weeks to Fiscal Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Quicken software to work with your zero-based budget. So the first thing you're going to need to do is edit your categories. Click on Tools, go to your category list. Now you want to make sure this category list has all the same categories as your master budget. So if it's on your master budget, you want to include it in here. If it's in here, you want to take it out or add it to your master budget. These lists need to match each other quite exactly. Now, if you want to delete an account or a category here, let's say I don't budget for haircuts. I just go up and hit delete and it takes it right away. If you want to add an account, if you notice my utilities, I don't have a cell phone, and maybe I have a cell phone that I need to budget for. So I'll go ahead and type in cell phone. It's a subcategory of utilities, and then I hit OK. And there it is. Now if there's one that you want to just edit the text on, click it, hit edit, and then there you can change any of those settings that you need to. So that's your categories. So your goal there is to get this category list to match your master budget. Now the next feature we're going to use of Quicken is under planning and savings goals. What this is this is a feature Quicken allows you to create a virtual account and move money from your check register into this virtual account to save for a long-term project. I use this to do our zero balance budgeting. So again, other than the income accounts, you don't need income accounts on here. You want all of your expense accounts to have a matching savings goal. Now Quicken won't let you use the same exact name for it, so I put the asterisks in there so that to differentiate that these are our savings goals versus our categories. This is one of the workarounds I've found. You Need a Budget does this better because it puts them all together as one thing. Now if you want to make a new one, you go ahead and click New, and let's have a tithing savings. If you make charitable contributions to tithing, you have to put some amount here. So I just put $1, leave the finish date. It doesn't matter what goal amount or finish date you have because we're not really using that. Now you'll see the name is in use as a category, so that's why I go in and I put a little star there, and now there shows my tithing. Now if we want to edit one of these, let's add another one. Let's add food, eating out. Maybe we'll just call it just eating out because we already have groceries up there. Again, I'll put $1, and there it is. So you want this to match all of your expense categories in your master budget and in your category list. Once you have those set up, this is where they show on Quicken. It's in your property and debt center on the left-hand side. You toggle that, and then it shows you those different accounts. Now, if you want to edit these accounts, let me show you this. Say I want to edit groceries because I typed it wrong. If I click edit, it doesn't allow me to change the name of it. So if I want to edit the name, where I go is I right click, edit account, and then it will let me change it there, and then I save it. Another option is if you want to rearrange the order, you can either put it in the order of your master budget or in the alphabetical order. So you right click, you click on Rearrange Accounts, then you select the account you want to rearrange, you move it up or down, and there I have eating out in alphabetical order with my other categories. And you can close that. So those are the things that you need to get set up in order to use Quicken with your zero balance budget. This is Emily with GettingFinancesDone.com and 12 Weeks to Fiscal Fitness.